Hello guys, this is Dan the Mo Man Smith in a crawl space of a client, and I just want to show you what happens when HVAC ducts become infiltrated with water. As you can tell, it's like real squishy right here. So what's happened is that as the air is flowing, moisture is being absorbed in here. But if you look at an area that's not, you feel how loose that is. But right here, so it's squishy, got water in there, and definitely you got water in there. For all your air quality needs, give us a call, 704-453-1262.